I am their mother. The school bus was supposed to have brought them home, but I've not seen them. What? They what? So, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Hey! Stop right there, you two. Stop.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Emily.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you really fight in school? Answer me!
Someone was trying to touch my sister, so the person got beat up by me. I never asked you for your help.
Chizitere, who was that?
A friend, and he wasn't trying to beat me up. No, he was. Stop lying. Shame on you for fighting in school.
How well did you beat him up?
Very well. Very well.
Come here. Do you have any injuries?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes,
no pains?
No.
That's my hawk organ. Alright, just go in and freshen up, okay? I'll make your favorite meal.
Yes.
Always look out for your sister, right? High five. Good boy. That's my boy. Don't bother calling me again. Freshen up, okay, guys?
What I don't understand is why you would support a child for fighting in school.
And I have just told you that it is the duty of a male child to defend his female sibling. Emilio was just doing his duty, that's all.
He fought in school.
He defended his sister.
Hey, this is the reason I keep saying that you're a strange woman. A very strange woman.
Oh my dear, I'm simply being a mother. And a doting one at that. Come on, I'm so proud of my son.
Thank God he wasn't suspended or was still expelled.
Who? My son? Oh, come off it, please. Nothing of that sort will ever happen. Listen, I donate lots and lots of money to that school so they cannot try any rubbish with my children. Okay? Anyways, let me go check the food on fire. Okay?
Please do. I'm famished.
You are famished?
Yes.
Every time you come to my house, you are famished. Do you even eat at home?
Will you blame me? When you have a friend who is extraordinary in the kitchen, you will always get hungry when you visit her.
You know what? Next time when you are coming to my house, make sure you come with a cooler so that you can what? Carry my kitchen on your head.
I sure
Let me go check the food.
English. Cheesy, I would like to help you with your assignments. I'm very good at English. Very good. So I would like to help you. I would like you to be me. Cheesy is me, you. Cheesy. If it's about what happened yesterday, I'm sorry. I was only trying to defend you as my sister. Please, don't take it up as an offense. Please.
And I'm only trying to tell you to go away. Is it too hard to understand? Why can't you get off my business? I can do it myself. I'm not crippled, Mr. Helper.
But Cheesy! Cheesy! Cheesy!
Oh, here you are. Your food is ready, okay? I've served it. It's on the dining. Go and eat. Okay?
Mom,
Yes?
why does my sister hate me?
Huh?
Why does my sister hate me? I was only trying to defend her yesterday, but she picked it up as an offense. Please, Mom, what have I done wrong? Where have I offended her? Mom, please tell me. No, Mom! Let her be. I said leave me!
Emily, don't want to play with me, please now. If you are hungry, have food. Come, let's eat.
I don't want to play with you. Me, that's why I want to eat with you. Leave me alone. I hate you. I hate you. Stop being stubborn.
But I'm your sister, Emily.
And I here.
Emily, please now.
No, I hate you. You make me now. Oh, now leave me alone. Leave me alone. Are you alone? Leave me. Don't touch me. No. No, now. No. Cheesy. This is our food. I've eaten mine and this is yours. This is yours, so
Mom,
wonderful.
I'm a girl. Why would I wear the same clothes as a boy?
Okay, first of all, the boy in question is your brother. And secondly, the clothes may share the same color, but they are clearly not the same design. Yours is that of a girl. So please stop complaining, okay?
I don't want to wear a clothes with a boy. We are not twins.
Thank God you guys are not twins. I mean, okay, let's assume I had you guys as twins. I mean, by now I would have gone wacko. I would have actually killed myself. So I'm actually grateful to God.
I would never wear this.
Listen, girl. You have a birthday party coming up tomorrow. And that is what you are going to wear. Don't dare me. Excuse me. Such arrogance.
Don't worry, Cheesy. I won't wear mine. If that will make you feel better. At least, we won't look like twins.
Just leave me alone and get out of my sight.
So show me how you're gonna dance at the party. Go la la la, go. High five, my darling. Oh, make sure you win lots and lots of prizes, okay? So make sure you dance very, very well.
Yes, I
will. Make sure you win lots of prizes. Yeah, let's go, boy. Let's go, hop in.
Mom, is she going with us?
Yes, of course she's going with us. Hop in, let's go. Come here, Emelie. What is wrong with you? Honestly, you are getting on my nerves and I don't like it. What is wrong with you?
Mom, I've told you, I'm not getting into the car with that girl. Either me or her.
Excuse you? Young man, the girl in question is your sister. So get into the car, let's get going right now.
And I prefer being at home. Thanks.
What was that? Emelie! Emelie! Come back! My angel. Why are you not dressed yet? Have you forgotten you have a birthday party today?
I don't feel like going anymore.
Aww. Let me guess. Is it because of the clothes I bought you yesterday? Come here. Why don't you go inside? I have a surprise for you on your bed. I know you will like that. So go on. Go on. Go and check it out, okay? That's my baby.
Mom,
Yes, baby girl.
I don't understand.
I don't understand either. You know, you may think you are crafty and mischievous, but you tend to forget one thing. I am your mother. Listen to me, young girl. I'm giving you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to dress up for that birthday party. Else. To Demi? You're not dressed yet. So let the show begin. I have tolerated you enough. Like I've had it up to here. Cheesy, I've had it up to here. Come here. teach you some lesson. Teach you some lesson. Teach you some lesson. Will you wear the cloth or not? I have to teach you some lesson. Will you wear the cloth or not? I'm talking to you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Silly. Now, I'm giving you 2 minutes to put on this plate. What did I say?
2 minutes.
What did I say?
2 minutes.
Good. What did I say?
2 minutes.
Come back. Silly. Stupid girl. Silly girl.
She threw the clothes into the dustbin.
I'm telling you. Honestly, Betty, I never knew my own child is capable of such an act. I never knew.
All because she doesn't want to wear the same type of clothes with her brother. Her own blood brother.
Betty, I don't know what else to do. I'm heartbroken.
I can understand the feeling. But Ijoma, have you tried taking your daughter to church? Maybe something is wrong with her upstairs. Or maybe she is possessed.
Hey!
Of evil spirits.
Hold it right there. No, who is possessed? My daughter? Listen, I gave birth to that girl. So if she is possessed, I will definitely know. How dare you come to my house to tell me that my own daughter is possessed? How dare you?
Ijoma, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to...
You didn't mean to what? Hmm? It's not that I do not want to ask you to leave my house. I would have just mashed this drink on your face. But then listen, that does not mean I'm under any obligation to sit down here and chit-chat with you. So when you are done drinking these 2 glasses of juice, because I know you're always famished each time you come to my house, you leave. And please, lock the gates.
IJ!
Nobody comes to my house to talk rubbish about my children. Nobody. Can you imagine such nonsense? Who talks rubbish about my children? Nobody.
Did I say anything wrong? I was only trying to help.
Chizitere, I want you to hug your brother right now. And make sure to tell him that you love him too. Listen, I am your mother. And if you do not do as I say, I will personally strangle you with my bare hands. I am waiting. Are you sick in the head? Didn't you hear what I just said?
Mom, love is not by force. You have to feel it before you can confess it.
What was that? No. What did you just say? Young girl, do you want to see the other side of me right now?
Don't worry, Mom. I bet I'll have to do it myself.
Don't you ever in your life try it again. You disgust me. Now I have to go shower again.
What? Listen,
Mom.
she's my sister. Chizitere, you will eat with your brother or there will be no food for you in this house.
Mom, that's unhygienic.
Oh, really? So eating with your brother is unhygienic to you. Listen, there are 2 spoons in that plate. So there is nothing unhygienic about eating with your brother. So go ahead. Hello, young lady. Pick up that spoon. Take some food, stuff it into your mouth, swallow it. I don't care what you do with it, just eat it. Go ahead right now.
I'm not hungry.
And I don't care. Eat that food right now. Hey, sit back. Chizitere! Chizitere!
Hey, Thank God you are here. Please come and help me. Emily, come and help me now.
Hey, oh God, why me? Why me? Listen to me carefully. I won't help you. Besides, the fact that you're my sister doesn't mean I love you. And I will never love you. Get that into your skull. A fool.
But, Emily! Mommy is waiting for me, oh, Emily! Emily! Emily!
Chizitelem, you can confide in me. That I am your mother's friend also makes me your mother. So you are free to tell me about your problems.
Auntie, are you sure?
Cross my hands.
First of all, I want to thank you for coming outside when I told you to.
And why will I say no?
Maybe it's because I didn't have enough courage.
Enough courage to do what?
To tell anyone about my dreams.
Dreams?
Auntie, please, before I tell you, promise me that you won't tell my mom. At least not now. I don't want her to know until I know what it means.
I cross my heart.
Ever since my 5th birthday, I've been having dreams about my brother.
Is that why you have decided to hate your brother? The dreams are the reason. And you are afraid that he is going to hurt you and worse, he'll abandon you one day.
Auntie, please don't tell my mom. Please. I don't know why these dreams are happening to me.
It's okay, my love. We are going to find out the solution. Soon we will. Okay?
My dear, I am sorry I have not come to see you since. I've been very busy with my children. You know they can be quite a handful. So how are you? How is he?
Well, the only thing we managed to do is to get him out of the bed. Yes. We have not found Yagasi. We have not. Our hands are tied, my sister.
What do you mean by you only managed to get him out of the bed?
Aije, I think you should see things yourself.
I need to see him. I want to see him myself. Let's go to him.
This is where we are now. Shh. Until we find Yagazi. Or God decides to have mercy on us. My sister. I have suffered. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why God chose to leave me this way.
I love you.
Emily,
What are you doing here?
looking for you, of course.
Why?
Emily, I need you.
Will you get out of here? Will you get out of here? Can't you see I'm busy? You need who? You need who?
Honey, who's she?
She used to be my mother's maid.
Emily,
Are you mad?
what are you doing here? Where is this place? Eh?
Can you look? Thank you.
So
So,
you're asking if I
How
love
much
you?
do you love me?
Of course, you can't really be asking me how much I love you because you know that I love you.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
So, shall we go in?
Of course.
Emilia, I called you here because I want you to make me a promise.
Okay.
I want you to promise me that you will always love your sister no matter what.
Of course, Mom. I have no choice not to love my sister.
Are you sure?
Mom, of course. There's some things you don't even ask. Of course, I love my sister and it's going to be like that forever.
Even after all she's been doing to you.
Oh, Mom, what she's doing to me has absolutely nothing to do with the way I feel about my sister. I love her unconditionally.
Oh. I see. Do you have a girlfriend?
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet. I don't have a girlfriend yet.
Good. Very good.
Good?
Yes. I mean, that way no woman will ever come between you and your sister. So, very good.
Mom, even if I have a girlfriend, it can't change the fact that she's my sister. I'm meant to love her and be there for her.
Son, you don't even need to have a girlfriend. Just forget about that, okay? Go find something to do with yourself. I want to rest.
Mom, are you okay?
Very okay. Very.
You sure you're fine?
Very sure.
Mom said you washed my clothes.
Not really me. The washing machine did most of the jobs.
Why? Did I beg you to wash my clothes? Please, next time don't touch my stuff, and I'm very serious about it, please.
I want to take you to somewhere.
I want you to go shopping.
Shopping?
You see, your sister has a weakness for jewelry. So, go on.
Mom, is this an attempt to make my sister love me?
This is an order. So hurry up before I change my mind and never cook for you again in this house.
Is that a threat?
Whatever. Go on.
Okay. Now, what's this now?
Why are you treating me this way? You know I love you so much. Darling.
Stand up. Stand up. Are you normal?
Emily, stop treating me this way now. You know I love you so much. Please. Emily, stop! I'm sorry. What is this? Oh my God.
Like?
You bought it?
Anything to make my little sis happy.
This did not work. You don't have to give up. You have to keep trying and trying and trying until it works.
Mom, why are you suddenly forcing things?
Because I am sick and tired of that girl. I mean, I gave birth to her, yes, but I'm sick and tired of her attitude. I don't like the way she treats you. I don't like it. So we have to put an end to this. You have to put an end to this. My baby. My baby. Why are you shaking? Are you okay? Oh my God. You are burning up. Emelie! Chukwu Emelie! Oh, why did you come to tell me? No. Come. Oh.
What's wrong with her?
She's burning up.
Don't you dare touch me. Leave me alone.
Cheesy. Even in this condition, don't you dare, okay? Please go and get towel and water so that we can clean her up.
What? Mommy, how do you expect a man to clean me up?
The man in question is your brother.
I don't want him to clean me up.
Oh, really? You have to deal with it, okay? Emilie, you have to come clean her up, okay? Keep her temperature down while I run to the pharmacy to get her some medication. My friend, get going!
Mommy, he's not cleaning me up.
He will! I'm rushing down to the pharmacy. Make sure you do what I said. Get going! Are you still standing there? Hurry up, she's running up!
Sorry. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
This is exactly what I want to see. Well done, my boy. How is she doing?
She's getting better.
Okay.
Let's quickly give her the medicine.
No. She has to eat something. So you should go to the kitchen and make her some food. Okay? Get up. Up. Let me take your position. Careful. Just be fast about that, okay?
What can I prepare, Mom? Noodles. Maybe noodles is fine. Just
anything food as long as there's no much salt and pepper. Be fast, okay? So, Adamo. Be fine, okay? Be fine.
listen to me. I love you, Emily. Listen to me. I love you. Believe me when I say that. There's no one on this earth, not even a single soul that is going to love you the way I do. You just get it. Listen to me.
And I want you to believe me when I say this. I do not love you. Please, understand this.
Why are you doing this to me? What are you even doing in this house? Is this now your house? What are you doing here? Huh? Emily, listen.
Okay. Was it hard for you to look at here?
Really?
Okay. Let's go upstairs.
Emily, please come back, Emily.
Please help me lock the door when you're out, please.
Emily,
that's
please
the key.
listen to me. Believe me when I say that I love you, Emily. Please listen. Emily, come back. Here.
Why are you jacking up like that?
Why are you on my bed? Please get out. Leave my room, go! Get out!
What's wrong with you?
Get off my bed, get out!
What's going on?
Mom!
I heard voices. What's going on here?
He's here on my bed, tell him to leave.
Oh, really?
Yes. Tell him to leave, Mom, tell him to leave.
You want your brother to leave?
Yes, please, I want him to leave now.
Is that why you're shouting like you're seeing a total stranger?
Lie down on the same bed with me. Just go! Go already!
Dance!
Go!
Emilia, listen.
Is just
No, Emilia, listen. See, don't mind her.
No,
Emilia, you
just-
don't have to take it
Go.
too hard. Leave.
Emilia! What is he doing in bed with me? She meant to be in the same bed.
Shh! I can see you've recovered fully now. That's why you have the strength to speak to your elder brother like that. Now listen to me, young woman. Your elder brother took care of you while you were sick. So you have him to thank.
I didn't beg him to help me.
Shut up! You can as well eat the pillow for all I care.
How can Chizzy test me to meet her here? And she keep me waiting like this? I don't understand.
So, why has my daughter been meeting you in secret? And what has she been saying to you? I am talking to you, Betty. She's mute. Anyways, just so you know, I am the one that texted you with her phone. And here you are. Listen, Betty. If you have any regard for this our friendship, then you have to start talking right now. Tell me the truth. Listen to me, Betty. I don't need to tell you how disappointed I am at you right now. To think that you can oblige a simple text I sent you with my daughter's phone.
And here you are, shamelessly waiting for my daughter for God knows what. If you value this friendship, then you have to start talking right now.
Your daughter should be the one to tell you, not me.
You know what I'm capable of, Betty. Don't dare me. Don't.
I have nothing to say to you, Ijoma. Have a nice day.
We shall see. Close my gate after you. We shall see. We shall see.
Mom, why are you staring at me like that?
Mom? Mommy, I thought I told you. You have a visitor.
A visitor? Who?
He's waiting for you in the living room.
He? Sam, please get inside your car and leave. Leave this place. I never asked you to come here. My mother doesn't even know you. My brother hates you. How much clearer can I get?
Chizzy,
No, please listen to me. You would have called me before coming here. Why didn't you do that?
I simply want to surprise you.
Surprise me? In my mother's house? Really? A woman who doesn't even know you? Wow. Well done, Sam. Well done.
Well, that's only if you can accept me as your man.
Hold up, you are not my man and I'm not going to accept you. Please, like I said earlier, get out of this place. Excuse me.
Chizzy. Okay. I'm back.
Are you drunk? Don't ask these stupid questions. Okay? Mom, please, it's obvious you're drunk. Are you okay?
Young woman, can you just sit down, please? Sit down.
Okay.
Oh.
And that's too much for you.
Hold it right there.
Woo! Mm. You know,
I was meaning to ask you a question.
oh.
Why don't you love your brother?
What? I do love my brother.
Not as much as I want you to.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
Listen, I don't know why you hate your brother. I don't know why you don't go close to your brother, but hey! I want all that nonsense to stop today.
Mom, I love my brother. I love him just as much as everyone out there should love their sibling. My only problem is that he should learn to give me some space. I'm his sister, not his wife.
Oh.
Yes, Mom.
And who says there's anything wrong with you being his wife?
Huh? Mom. Oh my God. Mom, did you just hear what you said? Okay, this is a confirmation that you are truly drunk.
Listen to me, young woman. I started dealing with liquor long before I gave birth to you. So I suggest you shut up and listen to what I am saying, because I mean every word of it.
Oh, I can't believe my ears. Did you hear what you said? You've taken too much. I should take you with Mom.
I am saying that you do not go close to your brother. I am saying that you do not love your brother enough. What I am saying is...
Mom. You were saying I should have some sort of romantic relationship with my brother.
You're there.
What?
Listen to me, Chizitere. When your father died and left me alone with the both of you, I knew that someday I'm gonna leave and still leave both of you behind. It's going to be just both of you against the whole world. So you see why I want you to go close to your brother, so that he will not look at any other woman on this planet Earth. Chiziterim, I am going to ask you this question just once. And I need you to give me an honest answer. What is going on between you and Betty?
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't make me repeat myself.
Mom, there's nothing going on. How do you expect me to tell you? I can't even tell you anything that's meant to do with my private life.
Private life, indeed. Listen, Chiziterim, what I see sitting down, you can never see it, even if you climb the highest skyscraper. What sort of secret meetings have you been having with my friend Betty?
Mommy, what do you mean by secret meetings? I've not been having any secret meetings with her.
Oh, listen to me, young woman. If you don't start talking right now,
I have nothing to tell you, honestly.
Oh, is this what you told me here?
Obazuoka, my brother, you must overcome this sickness. And I need you to recover from this fast. You know, I have been taking care of my business as well as yours. And the businesses are growing fast. It is becoming too big for me alone to handle. So I need you to recover from this. At least you can make things lighter for me by taking over your own.
Your father is still on his wheelchair. Yes. All right, my daughter. Thank you. Okay.
My friend.
You're welcome, IJ.
How are you?
IJ, I'm fine.
How is he doing? Any improvement yet?
You think if there was any improvement, that I will keep it away from you? Nothing. We are still the same way we are. He does not move. He does not do anything. I'm only pushing the wheelchair every day.
Don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
Amen.
Can I see him now?
Of course.
Please, I want to.
Let's go inside. I just finished talking with my daughter. She's the only hope now. Her call and everything just to make sure that her mother is happy. You will be fine. Please show me. Amen. Oh? That's how I give my prayer.
You'll be fine. Okay? He will be fine. Just have faith.
He will be fine. Yes. He will be fine. That's what I keep hearing. He will be fine. How? When? For so many years, he will be fine. Because no Yagazie. Yagazie must be found before he'll be fine. Where am I going to find Yagazie?
Just have faith. Okay? Have faith, he will be fine.
My sister, I don't know where to find the faith again. I'm just waiting whatever the day brings. That's what I'll take. You'll be fine.
Okay? Trust me, you will be fine.
Yes. Chief Oba. Chief Oba.
Shall be well.
What's up with this your latest drinking attitude?
I am not good. You are. It's becoming a habit. Since we...
Mom, can you stop this, please? Can you please stop this? Yesterday night, you passed out in the living room. I was the one that carried you to your bedroom. What is really going on?
Oh. So... Are you two calling me a drunk?
We are your children, and we know that the only time you drink is when you are troubled.
Just leave me alone.
Can you leave this?
Oh.
Is there something you need to tell us? Can you open up and talk to us?
Oh.
So she's having hangover.
She's having that. Mom, please, can you stop this?
And she's still drinking. I missed the hangover.
Mama, I made breakfast.
Oh.
Hangover, right?
Oh. This is really...
Let's go to the dining. Let's go.
Mom, come, please.
Go away! Leave me alone. Just go. Leave me. Go away. Go.
She didn't say anything to you?
Nothing. Your mother is scaring me. Chizzy, I don't know what is going on here, but I'm being disturbed.
She's been drinking.
What?
You don't know?
Do I live with you?
Auntie, the truth is that I don't know what else to do. I don't understand my mother anymore. Sometimes I can't even recognize her.
Neither do I today. Chizzy, you and your brother should keep a watchful eye on your mother. I believe that something strange is going on, but we are going to find out soon.
How?
I don't know. I have no idea for now.
You don't?
I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing going on between Ada and I.
I've told you countless times, Emily, I don't care. I don't give a damn, okay? If she's your girlfriend, whatever she is to you, I don't care. Stop telling me about her.
Well, I'm just trying to tell you how desperate she is, nothing else.
I didn't ask for your explanation, please. What's happening to me? What's happening to me? I don't feel...
Thank God you are still awake.
Mom?
Yes, my dear.
Oh, my dear, I can hardly sleep. Do you mind if I share your bed?
Please, this is not the time for this, okay?
For what? You don't want your mother in your bed. Oh, shit.
Never mind.
Oh, have you prayed? Because I've prayed myself. Have you?
Oh. Mom, can I hug you?
Yes, baby, you can.
Are you okay? Okay, come here. Mom.
Chizzy Terry. Chizzy. Chizzy.
Haven't you understand anything? I don't understand anymore. Why this fight between my own blood though? Against a dream, my give a full on love. Who could help us put us in place again? Who could help us put us in place again? No. Yeah.
You're not sleeping.
How can I sleep when your sister is having nightmare?
Really?
She needs you, please.
Okay.
It's just a dream. Yeah, guinea give yeah, it's just a dream.
Mom? Mom?
So ignorant.
What are you doing here?
To see
okay?
the love and salvation.
Mom said you're having a nightmare.
How? Nightmare? How?
I don't know that. Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine. What are you doing in my room? Please leave.
Can you stop shouting? I can't even leave. Mom locked the door. I can't leave.
Why would Mom lock the door? Listen, Emily, you cannot sleep in my room, okay? Just look for a way and get out. Leave my room!
Hey, can you stop? What's wrong with me sleeping here? If I want to sleep here, is there anything wrong with that?
You won't sleep in my room. There's everything wrong with that. I cannot share the same bed with you.
Oh, really?
Yes!
Okay, then.
Please, just go. Get out!
Hey.
Get out of my room! Get out!
You want to fight me?
Leave me alone! 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 I had to do it. Yes, I had to do it. I just had to do it. Okay, fine. Fine. How do you expect me to tell them the truth? Tell me! How do you expect me to tell them the truth? How? Okay, fine. I'll do it. I'll tell them the truth. I'll tell them the truth. I will tell them the truth. I will. Please just leave me alone. Don't
anything from them again. Yes, I'll do it right now. I'll tell them, please, I beg you. You started this at first, remember? I wanted to tell them, but you refused. It was all your fault. It was all your fault. It was all your fault. I wanted to tell them. You said no, I shouldn't tell them, but now I'm going to tell them. Maybe I'll tell them. I'll tell them. Please, Yagase, please, I beg you. I'll do it. Emily, please, I beg you. It's not what you think. I beg you, please. 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 It's not what you think. Please. Please, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's not what you think. She's not your sister. She's not your sister. She's not your sister.
What? Mom, or whatever you call yourself. Don't make me lose it. Can you start talking? Don't act like you've said nothing wrong. Can you start talking?
Mom, please, I need to know. Who is your biological child? Since you said it's not Emilia, who is your biological child? Am I?
It's not you.
God, I'm just tired of all this. I just can't take this anymore. I'm just tired.
You will not like when I lose it. Of course, you know me too well. You know me too well. You know what I'm capable of doing. Start talking!
What do you want to do right now? What do you want to do? Do you want to strangle me? Do you want to strangle me?
Ijeoma, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, say something. If you can't open up to them, I am your best friend. I need to know what is going on here. Ijeoma, in case you haven't realized what you did, you dropped your children and they ended up sleeping together. And what you could do was tell them that. Ijeoma!
Leave me alone! 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 What is it? I've done what you want! I've done what you want! I've done what you want! What more do you want from me? Oh, enough! 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 I've told them the truth! I've told them the truth! I'm not under any obligation at all to give them an explanation. What else do you want them to do? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Go your way! Leave me alone!
Mom!
You okay?
Mom, are you okay?
Are you okay, Mom? Huh? What is it?
Mom! Mommy!
Son, I'll give you the answers you seek. But on one condition.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Mom.
I want you to take Chizitere as your own. I want you to stand by her till the end of time.
Mom, you don't have to put me on the spot. Chizitere belongs to me.
I really do not think that you understand what I mean. Son, I want you to take Chizitere as your wife, even after hearing all I have to tell you. I want you to love her forever. Please.
Mom, you already know that I love her, and it's going to be like that forever.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, back to the question. Can you answer it now?
What? I can't believe this.
Emily.
Wait, you kept this secret away from me all these years.
I'm sorry.
How could you?
I'm sorry. Honestly, I didn't mean to. I didn't. See, I've come to love both of you so much. I've come to take you as my own. But you said you love her.
I do, but right now I have to marry her on one condition.
Real? What? Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Are you okay?
This place is real.
What do you mean real? What's going on? You good? Mom.
Mom what? Eh? Why are you calling Mom? We both know that she's a very strange human being. So why are you calling me? Let's go inside. No. Are you sure? Come inside. I want to take this way. Is she coming or not?
I'm coming.
Go in. Are you not going in?
She's just acting.
Oh, you know her now.
I am fine. Don't worry, eh?
Oh my god.
I'll get that.
Oh my god, it's real.
What is real?
It's real. IJ. Look at them. IJ. Your children have really grown. Hey, you're welcome, my son. Look at her. You're welcome. IJ. Can you imagine?
Children of nowadays. Make yourselves comfortable. You're like fertilizer.
I don't understand what's happening. I don't know why we're here. Where is this place?
Chizzy.
Yes, what? What is it?
Sit. She said we should sit.
Can you sit down?
Hey, let's sit down. Hey! IJ. Look at them.
Ichama, is everything alright?
My friend, I just want to get this whole thing over and done with.
Please, what are we doing here? Please, where is this place? I'm confused.
Can we all just shut up and listen? Please. Please.
Ichama, what is going on here?
Thinking, my friend, I have a confession to make. A confession.
Confession? About what?
I found Yagazi.
You found her?
Yes.
So, where is she? Where is she? Oh, Angie, you're shaking your head. It's a good news. Oh, God, I thank you. I thank you, God. Angie, thank you so much. You are such a good friend. I never knew you were also searching for her all this long. Hi, where is she?
She's dead.
If she's dead, then why are you here?
To tell you the truth.
Truth about what? If she is dead, there is no need of hearing anything about her. That means all hope is lost. My husband is going to die.
Auntie, please, can we take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? Let's hear her speak.
Yes.
Please. It happened years ago. On my way to the market, I found Yakazi.
Hiroki Kamnacho Hafomaki Kamnayo Akansogi Metumo Opiomaki Biamnaru Kanwerongwem 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 Hiroki Kamnacho Hafomaki Kamnayo Akansogi Metumo Opiomaki Biamnaru Kanwerongwem 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 Hiroki Kamnacho Hafomaki Kamnayo Akansogi Metumo Opiomaki Biamnaru Kanwerongwem 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 Kanwerongwem
I was shocked. Extremely shocked.
Yagazie, pregnant?
Yes.
How come?
Well, I took her to my house. And she told me how everything happened.
I'm listening.
I don't think you would like to hear this part of the story. No.
Ijeoma, don't annoy me. Yes, it is clear to me now that you have been hiding so many things away from me all these years. Ijeoma, I want to hear everything. The truth.
Go ahead, tell her, okay? Tell her.
Okay.
Ijeoma, speak.
Yagazie told me that she was defiled. She was defiled when...
God is watching you. Agadima. It's matter of time.
Sing on.
Sir, what is happening?
Yagazie,
Sir?
do you know you're a beautiful woman? Do you know that?
Sir, please, your hands are too tight.
Too tight? That's because I do not want you to go.
Sir, please leave me alone.
No, I won't leave you. See, I need you. I need you more than I need good health at this moment. Okay? Just go.
Sir, please! Sir, please!
That's why she ran away from this house. I'm telling you the truth. I'm sorry, my friend. Honestly, from the depth of my heart, I'm really sorry. I couldn't come to you at the time. I'm sorry.
Ijeoma, how dare you? How dare you suggest that a man like Obazuoke will fall for a tattered girl like Yagazie? Are you mad?
I am not mad. Look at me. Do I look mad to you? I am not mad. Okay. I have proof.
You have proof? What proof? What proof that my own husband, according to you, defiled a girl that died years ago?
Just trust me. I do. I have proof.
Then, let's hear it.
Auntie, it's not the kind of proof you would like to hear. It's that type you would like to see.
I see. It is now obvious to me that my living room has suddenly turned to a movie theater. So, show me.
You're looking at it here.
Excuse me.
Yes. Kili, yes.
What?
Listen to me. Chukwemeli here is Yagazie's son. Your husband's son.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you. Honestly, I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you, but
I can't go back to the house. When Madame finds out what the husband did to me, she will definitely kill me.
So, what about your parents? Why didn't you go back to them?
With an unwanted pregnancy like this, my father will have a heart attack.
But my dear, you left the house after you were raped. Right? So there's no way you could have found out that you were already pregnant.
I was traumatized. I couldn't take this news to my parents. So I decided to stay with a friend for a while before I found out that I was pregnant.
And the idea of going home became history. Right? I discussed with my husband to let her stay with us. Eventually, I was believing God for a fruit of the womb at the time. So tell me, why would I cast away a pregnant woman? Why?
Ijoma, out. I want you and your cursed children out of my house right now before I call the security. Out!
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am. That will not be possible.
I beg your pardon.
Okay, fine. Let's put it this way. Do you really want to send your husband's only son away from his father's house? What happens if I go out there and report to the kingsmen what you just did? I'm sorry, this is painful, okay? It is painful to me as well. But if Yagazie is the only solution, your husband regains his health, then I suggest we sit down and listen. And at least watch how the whole movie unfolds.
Yagazie died during childbirth. According to the doctor, Yagazie was not taking care of herself from the onset of the pregnancy. And it was her first baby. She was almost due when I picked her up. So, I was left with a newborn baby. Believe me, my friend, I tried. Honestly, I wanted to bring him to you severally. I really wanted to bring him to you severally. But we are done hiding secrets. Okay? We are done. So you have to go and meet Daddy today, right? Hey! Yagazie, please now.
Yes, I'm still dead and you can see me. Huh? I'm not here to hurt you unless you decide to disobey my orders.
I didn't do anything wrong. Eh? I'm just taking this baby back to his father's house.
I can't let you do that.
Hey, but if Enkele is my friend, I can't keep this kind of secrets from her. Eh? Let me take this baby back, please.
You have to continue to do that. For now, I'm sorry.
Hi, Yagazie. Eh? You are his mother. And you are dead. Please, allow me to take this baby back to his father, Pico. Let me reunite them, please.
And the stepmother that will kill him out of jealousy? You won't do that.
Hey. Oh, eh? Yagazie, this boy is not mine. He's not mine. I have to take him back to his father, please.
He became yours the minute you brought me into your home. Please, I beg of you. if you have any love for this child, don't take him back to his father's house.
Oh, till when? No, tell me, till how long will I keep him, Now, Zuko, stop crying. I can't keep this.
You know, she never gave me an answer. But each time I thought of bringing Amelia home, Yagaze always finds a way to stop me. It's either my car develops fault or Amelia here will fall sick. Terribly sick. Miraculously, I became pregnant with Cheesy. My husband, bless his soul. My husband believed that Yagazi has blessed us with a child for taking care of her own. But that didn't stop me from trying to bring Emilie back. But as he and Cheesy grew, I began to notice the love that he had for her. And that brought an idea to my head. I wanted everything to work in my favor. That's why I thought it wise. How beneficial it would be for me if Emilie, as the only son of the wealthy Chief Oba, gets married to my daughter. I decided to forget about bringing Emilie home until I achieved my aim. I'm sorry.
I can't believe this, Ijoma.
You know, all along, I thought Amelia here was your biological son and I, the outcast. Now I know. Now I know the truth. Now I know why you drugged me and got me to go intimate with a man I've seen all my life as my brother. Now I know. Please, mother, I beg you. I simply do not want you as my mother. I beg you, please.
Baby, please, I'm begging you. Please forgive me. Please, I'm begging you, baby. You know I love you so much, right? If you can help me beg. Hi. Please, baby, I'm begging you. Please. Please. Oh. Honestly, I wasn't this desperate before. Initially, I had wanted this love to develop naturally. But right after you guys came back from NYSC, Yagazie paid me another visit.
Jesus! It's time.
Time? For what?
Every man has a right to know his roots. My son has now grown to be a man, and it's time for you to tell him the truth.
Oh, please, not now.
I know what you have in mind, and I understand why you want that. But my son have the right to know the truth, and the time is now. Take him home.
Please.
Please, I beg you. I beg you, please. Please, I beg you. I want my son to stay with me, please. I beg you.
Take him
Not now.
home.
Not now, please. I beg you. Not now, please. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you. Not now. Not now.
That's how desperate I was. So desperate, I had to find a way to bring Emilie and Cheesy together at all cost.
and you finally achieved your aim, right? That's why you brought us here. That's why you brought us here to confess, you selfish woman. That's who you are.
Oh, my baby. I did this to your own best interest.
My best interest? How?
Mom, I heard voices. What's going?
You.
What's going on here?
Ada, what are you doing here?
You know her?
Yes, Mom. He's the guy I told you about.
What?
Mama, are you okay?
Is there any problem?
Mom?
You think? Hey!
What I don't understand is why you are refusing to talk to me. Huh? What prompted you to do that? Obazuoke, why did you do it? See, Oba, do you know that if you determine now to talk, you will? All you need is determination and you can speak, and speak very well. As in, if you decide now.
I will kill you. I will kill you for being such an animal. I will kill
What
you.
is that? Come on, let him go. If you dare touch him again, if you dare get close to him again, I'm going to kill you first. See, eventually, if you don't start explaining yourself to me, I'm going to walk out of this place and start the process of demanding that your bride price be returned back to us. What did he do?
If you understand what this monster, this animal you called your brother did, he deserves no mercy.
Ah. Okay. Take a seat and explain to me what he did. Sit down and explain to me. What did he do? Why do you want to kill him? You almost strangled him. Sit down and explain the crime he committed. Eventually.
It's you.
O God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, you are the one that knows all things. I thank you, God, that this day has finally come. Hey! Obazuoke, my brother, behold your son. Son, meet your father. Your biological father. Hey! God is wonderful.
Obazuoke will not recover until Yagazie returns.
Ha. Maybe you don't understand what I'm telling you. Yagazie is dead. She died many years ago after giving birth to a son. A son fathered by my brother. Why are you repeating the same thing you said years back? Huh? What is wrong with you?
I am only but a seer. I only say what I see.
Maybe you are not seeing clearly anymore. Maybe something is now wrong with your sight. If not, you should not be spouting the words of a madman. Huh? Yagazie is dead. We even saw her grave.
Remember the land you gave to your brother, Obazuoke.
He built his company on it. What is wrong with the land?
Do you remember what your family kept on that land before you gave it to your brother?
Do you mean... Okay. Do you mean...
I mean the family deity that was buried in that land by your great-grandfathers. What happened to it?
You know who my brother is.
Your brother destroyed the ancient spiritual artifact belonging to your family without blinking an eye. In Igbo land, any man who destroys the family deity has many consequences. But one of it is that he will not have a male child.
So you mean that is the reason my brother was not able to father a son with his wives?
However, his chi has decided to fight for him by bringing that young lady, Yagazie, into his life to teach him an act of humility. But he chose to embrace the monster in him by defiling an innocent and gifted child. He will not recover until that girl returns.
From the dead?
I don't have an answer for you.
So you're my brother, my biological brother.
Such is life. You know, life is like a movie with a thick plot.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
For what?
Loving you and being stubborn about it.
You don't have to be ashamed of yourself. I mean, anytime I look at you, I see a strong woman. A strong woman always goes for what she wants.
Stop. You're just saying that to make me feel better.
I'm telling you the truth. You're a strong woman.
Anyway, thank you so much.
For what again?
Rejecting me.
I beg your pardon?
Yes. If you had accepted me as your woman, who knows what we will be going through today. Thank you once again. Thank you for being the man you are.
You're welcome, sis.
Can I get a hug from you?
I'm your
Big
brother. You shouldn't be asking
So
that.
happy to have you.
Yeah, of course I'm happy to.
You got my back?
God opens, men always dispose. When you think our hope is lost, then God knows there's a way out. If only you believe, Okagaraki. Yagazie nkoma, nkoma, Yagazie nkoma.
Adamu, my precious daughter, my beautiful daughter, the bright and morning sun. Ada, dinner is served. Okay? Come on, dinner is served.
So pure and so kind in nature. Yeah, God has destined her to wipe off shame. When God opens,
Don't touch me.
when you think all hope is lost and gone, there is a way out. If only you believe a gagaraki.
Adamu.
You are here again.
Oh yes, I am.
I see. Now, listen, let me tell you this. It is true that I have accepted you as my husband's biological son. And you are free to come in here and live as you like. But one thing I cannot tolerate is to see your mother and your sister in this house. I don't want to have anything to do with them. Not now. Not ever.
My brother has left the house. He couldn't stand living under the same roof with my mother anymore. And me? I can't forgive my mother. But I don't know. Each time I pack my things to leave here, the guilt of having to abandon my mother holds me back.
You miss him. You see, all those dreams of his rejections, you are afraid that they will now begin to come true.
I dreamt about that house. His father's house. I saw the compound and the living room, to be precise.
Sometimes, dreams can be a reflection of our feelings or imagination. Chizzy, you love that man. And the dreams is the reflection of your fear. Overcome them and go to him.
I'm hungry. What? Auntie Betty, do you need anything? I'm actually going to the kitchen to prepare something.
Okay. But I met her eating when I arrived.
I wish I knew you when you were healthy. Maybe things would have turned out differently. I wish you didn't hurt my mother. But without that, I wouldn't have been in existence. But I want you to know today that I am happy to be your son. And as a son, I'm proud that you're my father. But I have a problem. I have what is eating my happiness. It can never be complete without the woman I love. Now, the woman I love and call my own, my stepmom wouldn't want to see her in this house. My stepmom detests her. And I can't survive in such environment. Should I leave and give up all this?
No, you won't.
Have you been eavesdropping?
Yes. And you won't give up on your father because you are going to bring that woman in here and marry her.
So, did you not hear
I heard everything you said. See, Ifenkili may be married to your father. But as it stands at this moment, I am the head of this family. So if I say your woman is free to come here and live with you, she is.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, son. This is your home. Your friends are free to visit you. And your woman is free to live with you. It's your house. Thank you. Welcome, son.
What? Shh, calm down. What? Lower your voice. You don't want her to hear you.
Really? You just told me that you think my daughter is pregnant. And you are telling me to lower my voice. Are you mad?
I did not say that I'm thinking. I say that I am suspecting.
Oh, what difference does that make? Whether you think or you suspect?
Get her to be on a stick. If it is confirmed, then we'll know where to go from there. The earlier the better, before it becomes too late. Sit down. We have not even confirmed it yet, and you are like this. You have to be strong for your daughter.
Betty. Betty, what if this test comes out positive? Betty, who knows? They might reject my daughter. Betty, what if Emilie turns his back on her? Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished.
Cheesy!
My baby. My baby, why? I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, Mom. I'm pregnant.
Thank God.
Son?
You're pregnant.
Yes. That's the test result.
Stop crying. It's a good news. I'm here to help you pack your bags. We're going home.
What?
Yeah. Our joy will never be complete until we become husband and wife. Please don't say no.
This is not how I expected my marriage proposal to be. But Emily, yes, I'm going to marry you because I'm the happiest woman on earth now. I will marry you.
I love you.
There's nothing hidden under the sun. There's nothing hidden under the sun, no. God opens men on me.
My baby! My baby!
Think our hope is lost,
Son.
no. There's a way out.
Yeah, back.
My brother.
Alright. Don't cry, okay? I'm here. Don't cry, okay?
Mommy's here.
Yes,
Take the dog. Take the baby. Take the baby. Huh? What?
I can move my legs.
My brother is okay.
I can move my hands.
Hey, God Almighty, I thank you.
Jesus. Oh my God.
What?
My husband.
Hey! This is a miracle.
It's unbelievable.
Just the baby.
Huh?
The moment you placed her on my lap, I felt something very strange. Something just cut out of me.
Huh? Hey! So that is what Kenolisa this year meant.
Who?
Kenolisa. This year, he said that once Yagazie returns to this house, my brother will regain himself. And now this child,
Can you step back? I want to be sure you can walk.
He can walk!
This is a dream.
God, I thank you.
Huh?
God, I thank you, God. God, I am thanking you, God. I thank you so
So
much.
now
God.
this baby
Is Yagazie's grandchild.
Exactly.
Yes, is our daughter. My wife and I decided to name her after my mother, Yagazie.
Yagazie is back.
Oh my God!
Yagazie, thank you very much.
That's
Thank
good.
you. You have given me redemption. It is now my turn to fulfill my promise.
What
promise?
All this while, as I was praying for my liberation, for my healing, I promised my chi that should I stand on my feet once again, I will make peace with every human being on earth that I have offended.
What?
That's what I am going to do.
That is good, my brother.
Bring her down.
Meet Grandpa.
Grandpa, okay?
You are happy now.
Grandpa, okay? Don't worry, I'm here. Don't die to death. Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry, baby, I'm here. Mommy's here. Don't cry. That's how you used to cry when you were little. Wow.
When you think nkoma yagazie nkoma nkoma yagazie nkoma nkoma yagazie nkoma